So Alex Hormozy recently broke a world record, and to do this, he beats J.K. Rowling, Obama, and most recently Prince Harry. He is now the author of the most fast-selling non-fiction book in history, selling 2.9 million copies in the first 24 hours. The thing is, if you haven't noticed already, Alex Hormozy doesn't fit the list that I already mentioned. He's just an internet entrepreneur who figured out the distribution engine was so powerful that he was basically able to break the system of how publishing a book works. And I wish there was a tip or a hack that we could take from this, but I don't think so, because this is the result of consistency that Alex Hormozy preaches, of doing the same thing every day for an extended period of time, and these are the results that come with it. For years he has been creating content and building trust with his audience by simply providing endless amount of value for free. And I think it's becoming harder and harder for traditional media to deny the impact that online creators, entrepreneurs and creatorpreneurs have. Because now if you can get attention, you can basically get anything, which now includes being able to sell something on a very large scale just because you have a very strong personal brand.